everyone, and happy Monday. Welcome to another eBay bestseller video. So every Monday I release a new hot selling product video to our channel. This week's video is all about the DIYers who are stuck inside doing renovations on a budget because they just now realized it needs to be done. I am also going to show you how gathering as much information on a product can be super beneficial for you. And it definitely doesn't hurt when the product is trending as much as this one is. Before we get started, please subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified on every new video we release. Let's get started. So like I mentioned in the intro, a lot of people are renovating their homes and trying to find cheap ways to do it during quarantine. So I was on the search for cheap materials people can use to actually do what they would like. So I jumped into the Zik Analytics product research and I searched for self-adhesive tile. Now, for those of you who don't know what that is, like I didn't at the beginning, it's basically tile that you stick onto your wall. All right, so going back to the statistics, you can see that there are 20,000 sales earnings in the last 30 days. 1,462 sold items, 62% successful listings, which means that 62 listings successfully sold at an average product price of $14.37. The sell-through rate is at 1,462%, which means that there are 14 potential buyers for every one listing out of the top 100 listings on eBay. But the thing that caught my eye that made me want to look for some of these products was looking at the trend graph. Look at this trend at this very moment. It's super high up and this shows demand. And this is exactly what we look for when we try to sell a product in our store. Now at the beginning, because I wasn't so sure what self-adhesive tile is, I actually scrolled down to the product list and I checked out some of these photos as well as the titles and of course the prices. As you can see, the prices vary from $39.99 to $2.84. But I did some more research and I actually came across this seller here with a feedback score of 12. And he managed to get very high up on the first page of eBay, which made me interested to see what he was selling and for what price. So this is the photo of the item that he is selling. The title is 3D Tile Brick Stone Wall Stickers Self-Adhesive Waterproof Foam PE. His item sold 40 times in the last 30 days for $4.70. Now what I did next, I clicked on the title and it opened it up on eBay. You can see that the condition is new. You may select the color that you want, and you can see that they are all 60 centimeters by 30 centimeters. 111 lifetime sales, selling at $4.70. And it's selling $4.70 by one piece. So one piece of 60 centimeters by 30 centimeters is $4.70. You can see that the shipping is free economy shipping from China, Hong Kong, Taiwan to worldwide, and the item location is China. Now, when I was on this item, I had a couple more items up here that came up with the same exact photo, and I went ahead and opened it up. You can see that it's the same photo as this one here that's selling for $4.70. But this other one is selling for $62.60. 21 sold, and again you may select the colors. This one does offer a 70 centimeter by 38 centimeter tile, and again the item location is China. Now I looked in the description and it said that the price is for one piece. 70 centimeters by 38 centimeters. If you need more, please contact us. So this guy is selling the same exact thing, but for $62.60 and still managed to make sales. And I actually found a third guy selling something very similar to the first two products that we found for $42.99. Here they do offer volume pricing, which means if you buy more, you get a percentage off. Free shipping, and the item location is United States. Now, because the first two were actually from China, I went ahead and I opened up AliExpress and I searched for this specific tile. But before I show you what I found on AliExpress, I also want to mention, for those of you who strictly want to ship from the United States, Walmart also offers a lot of these stick-on tiles, and for good prices as well. I'm sure you can make a great profit off of these, so take the time to check these out. But when I was on the Walmart website, I saw that the words vinyl floor tile were used to describe this product. So before we jump into the profit and conclusion part, I also want to show you that these keywords, vinyl tiles, had an average product price of $26.43. And again, the trend is skyrocketing. Take advantage of this. Have these in your store using all of the keywords to describe this product. Now, the item that I found on AliExpress with a great seller and a great rating of 4.7 is this 38 centimeters by 70 centimeters tile, offered in the same colors that we saw on eBay. Now, selecting the white, we see that it's selling for $1.50 with shipping of 89 cents. And this is per piece. Now, when we have gathered all of the information from Zik Analytics, such as the statistics, we see that the trend is going up, which means demand. We saw all of the keywords that describe this product, and we saw 3 different examples on eBay selling for 3 different prices, one offering volume pricing. We did also see that 2 suppliers have these types of tiles. One was AliExpress and the other being Walmart. And because 2 out of the 3 items were shipped from China, I did decide to use AliExpress as my supplier for this item. Now that we have all of that, let's jump into the profit and conclusion part of this video. Alright guys, so profit in conclusion. At the top we have the eBay product selling for $4.70. I did use the cheapest example because I did see that in Zik Analytics the seller was really high up on the first page of eBay. Total sales 111 and last 30-day sales 40. Product niche self-adhesive tile. Below that we have the AliExpress product selling at $1.50. The shipping price is 89 cents. So the total cost is $2.39 per tile. So let's say we were to sell our AliExpress product on eBay for $10. It is actually higher than our competition, but given that the average product price is around $14 to $26, $10 is a normal price to have for such a product. Minus 14% of eBay and PayPal fees, minus 30 cents, which also fall under the eBay and PayPal fees, minus $2.39, which is our AliExpress purchase price, we get a profit of $7.91 per tile. And no one is just gonna buy one. When you come across a great item to sell in your store, don't stop there. Continue to look for added information regarding that item. You never want to miss an opportunity to make more sales and more money. Never be too satisfied with yourself on the first try. And always know that you can put a little more effort towards your business to make it great. Alright guys, so that wraps up this eBay bestseller. If you have any questions or comments regarding this video and this topic, please leave them down below. Also, like and subscribe to our channel to get updates on every video that we post. Have a good one guys, stay safe and see you next time.